Hey everybody, it's me, Princess Sweetie, and I want to show you my new magazine I just got today. About, I'd say a few hours ago. Sorry, that was my iPad. Two kids. Everything finished. Okay. So, alright, that's my favorite part of the magazine because it's Selena. That is the June one. So, yeah. Well, here it is. I'll show you my Celine Gomez binder or binders tomorrow because I want to. All I really wanna be is your boyfriend. Can't fight that. A little higher. Body in the sky and say, okay, we'll wait until we fly up. Levitate, let's celebrate. Sorry, I'm a terrible singer.
At the end of the concert, it's a weird feeling. It's like a rush that just keeps on going. You want to stop, but your heart is just going, and you kind of just want to do it again. Like every time I get off stage and get back in the room, I'm always like, okay, man, let's just go again. It's just this rush.
Oh, I forgot to show you this show. That's really cool. I like that picture, Casey. Or something. Yeah. So thanks everybody. Bye.